Welcome to Meek Library's Evaluating Sources CRAAP test. Why do we evaluate resources? Just because you found information on your topic in the library or from a library database does not mean it is the best source for your paper. You need to make sure that they will be useful for you to use for the purpose of your paper or project. The CRAAP test will help you do that. It is a way for you to determine if the resources, articles, or websites you have selected are going to be useful to use in your paper or project. There are 5 criteria that you should use to evaluate your research. The first is currency. When was the information published or updated? Another question to consider is the information current or out of date for your topic? The second criteria is relevance. Is this information you need for your research? Another question you may want to consider is who is the intended audience? And is it written at an appropriate level? The third criteria is authority. Who is the source of the information? You may also want to ask yourself, are the author's credentials or organizational affiliations given? What are the author's qualifications to write on this topic? The fourth criteria is accuracy. Is it reliable, truthful, and correct? Some questions to answer for this criteria is, has the information been reviewed or refereed? Can you verify any of the information from another source? And are there spelling, grammar, or other typographical errors? The last criteria is purpose. Why did the author write this? Do the authors or sponsors make their intentions or purpose clear? And is the information fact, opinion, or is it propaganda? Now that you know the criteria, you will give each criteria a score from 1 to 10. A score of 1 means that the information is not reliable. A score of 10 is excellent. When you are finished evaluating each criteria, add up the scores you have given. A score of 45 to 50 is excellent. 40 to 44 is good. 35 to 39 is average. 30 to 34 is borderline acceptable, and below 30 is unacceptable. You should strive to find information that you find excellent. Not every source you use will be perfect, but many should come close. As an example, the things you need to have are an article or a website that you want to evaluate. You will also need a copy of the CRAAP worksheet. This worksheet has questions that you can ask as you read the information to help you determine which score you want to give each criteria. It is also important to note that you may not have to read the whole article to determine if it is a good fit for your research. Most scholarly articles have abstracts and information about an author that will provide you with enough information to use. This is helpful as you are doing your research, helping to eliminate resources without wasting time or effort. Remember, your goal is to find good articles and resources to use. Most resources are excellent, but may not be relevant for your paper or project. The CRAAP test is one way to assure that you are getting the best resource at the right time. If you have questions or need more information, please feel free to contact Meek Library using chat, phone, or come into the library. We will be happy to assist you